I like this one.
Ooh, that stare down gets me every time, guys. Well, let's be honest. It is a Marvel universe, and we're just living in it. Avengers Endgame hits theaters this week, and we're throwing it all the way back to the original 6 with some of our favorite E.T. moments featuring Thor, a.k.a. the man of my dreams, a.k.a. Chris Hemsworth. Take a look.
For, through your arrogance and stupidity, you have opened these peaceful realms and innocent lives to the horror and devastation of war.
It's tough, you know, and then eating the amounts of protein and food I had to consume to sort of keep the weight on was a feat in itself.
You are an old man and a fool!
You're unworthy!
Father.
I now take from you your power!
I do a good job, and I had a fantastic director and a great cast to, support me through it, and it was a big collaborative effort, and I had a lot of fun doing it.
No, this is Earth, isn't it? It looks a little odd without the cape, but you're pulling it off, I gotta say.
The hammer could split the Earth in half. He's not blocking nothing, it's practical and just destroy. And
So there were times when you'd sort of have to monitor what, the weapons were capable of. A lot of eating for Thor and not much eating for James.
Man.
Maybe Iron Man.
Maybe Iron Man.
Yeah, why not?
That's a good one.
Seems like the biggest challenge, doesn't it? So
Yeah, it does. It'd be a good one to be, though.
I'll take it on.
I know.
I lost my hammer, like yesterday, so that's still pretty fresh.
Working with Kate.
It's Kate Blanchett.
It's Kate Blanchett, and the idea of having to kind of hold my own and be worthy of what she's bringing to the screen is a little scary.
The end may be near for the Avengers, but that didn't stop them from slaying this red carpet. And joining me now to break down all the superhero fashion from the Avengers Endgame premiere in Los Angeles is ET Online senior style editor, Marissa Runyon.
Hello.
Marissa,
Yes.
I was gagging over the fashion on this red carpet.
It was ridiculous.
Because it's Marvel, you don't know what you're going to get.
And there's
boy, they turned it
so
out.
many huge stars in this movie, so it's just look after look after look, and person you're excited about after person you're excited about.
Did it not feel like it was an Oscars red carpet
It did.
almost?
It
Because
felt like an award show.
It was amazing. And boy, did they turn it out. Let's start with Brie Larson, who
Yes.
really made some waves in this custom gown. Let's talk
Every
it.
single look she's been wearing her entire press tour this whole year for Captain Marvel has just been a flawless symphony of fashion.
Right.
So she's in custom Celine and a custom bracelet by jeweler Irene Newerth that her stylist worked on very closely to design, and it's inspired by Thanos.
Right, it's a little nod to the Infinity
Yes.
Rings. I mean, they kind of nailed it. And the fact that
They
it's
did.
custom, I'm bow down.
It's so beautiful, and I really love that it's individual pieces. It's so cool. It's such a cool way to nod to the film.
Oh, for
which
sure.
I think has really changed the game in red carpet fashion. Red carpet fashion used to be very formulaic. You
Right.
wear a mermaid-style gown and
Yeah.
a cute shoe, and you
Right.
show up, and that's it. But now stylists are really paying attention to what their stars are promoting, where they're going, what they're doing, and incorporating a lot of those things into what they're wearing.
And sometimes they go as far as to find out what color the carpet is so that it photographs well.
So smart.
I would make the argument here, though, I think this is just a full look dedicated in homage to Thanos because of the lilac,
Yes.
the purple. It's like she wanted to be a little baddie.
I love it.
Oh,
but
it's
she looks so elegant.
gorgeous. And I don't know if that's a spray tan or what, but she is
She's
glowing.
glowing. I know. She really is glowing.
She looks amazing. Giving her a run for her money, though, Scarlett Johansson,
No.
who was also
I
glowing.
know.
I mean, look at this.
And I have hair envy with both of them. This is the bob I'm trying to do, and it will never look like that.
Yeah.
She looks phenomenal. I love this dress on her. And again, with the Thanos-inspired bracelet. So the bracelet was actually commissioned for her. And look at this. This is really cool.
This has the chain, though.
This has a
as
chain.
opposed to
It's
Bree's.
all attached. It's one piece, except for I think the thumb ring. Obviously, you couldn't move your hand.
Yeah.
But I love this. It's a totally different take on it, but still really pays homage to the film. So this was custom made for her and commissioned by her boyfriend Colin Jost.
Get out of here.
So I thought that was
This is Colin's work?
This is Colin from SNL, if you guys don't know, and he's super adorable. They're a
It's his work.
super cute couple, and what a thoughtful boyfriend gift Seriously.
What I will say too, because like where you see that shot of the back tattoo, I would say that whole bracelet thing also just feels very Scarlett Johansson.
Yes,
like she could rock that somewhere else.
Definitely feels edgier than Bree's.
Right.
But it fits her personality.
And
for
she's
sure,
got the hair's growing back. You guys do have similar hair lengths. Though. I see you trying to rock the Scarlett waves right here.
I'm trying.
Real quick, also, I just feel like that dress is probably the most comfortable I've seen.
Oh yes, and she's wearing Versace.
Versace. Nailed it, ScarJo.
Gorgeous.
The stars, they really were out among them, and she's in this one, Gwyneth Paltrow.
Yes. And I love seeing her on a carpet, especially for a film, because she hasn't really done a lot of acting in a long time, except for the Iron Man films.
Right.
So she's wearing her own label. This is Goop label, and I love it. Yes.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, she's
That's
rocking
the
her own
G
look.
and G label.
That's the
okay.
G. The G is her.
I get it now. It's her.
Yes.
Rocking that like tuxedo jacket.
And that's her vibe.
Now, I didn't realize until I got a closer look, but I think those are actually shorts. Like, these are separates.
Oh, you know what? I have not gotten a good look at this outfit. I've really only seen a couple of these photos like this, where you can't see what she's got going on underneath.
I saw a press release come through, and they're separates. It's a top and shorts. And
I
then
love
she
her
put
for that.
Yeah, and the jacket on top.
You know, the thing I love about her style is that she always has an effortless elegance about her. It's very elegant. She looks comfortable.
Yeah.
Somehow.
I kind of wish it was in a different color, but
I know.
black always looks good on everybody.
I know.
So
She's so chic.
Just given the event, Letitia Wright.
Oh, gosh, she looks so chic, too.
Chic and expensive. Like, this is...
I mean, I just love this. So, you know me, I love a power suit moment, and this literally looks like armor, which I love.
Yeah.
It's Armani Privé, and I dare I say she looks better than this suit did on the runway.
Right?
It does. They put like a red top underneath it on the runway, and I like it so much better like this with nothing under it. Just let the suit really shine, and it really just makes you look at her face. There's nothing to distract you from just looking at her.
Right. And she nailed the hairstyling and the makeup too. The glam is just on point from Letitia.
It is.
I love that you said suit of armor. It's very warrior, and I feel like her shoes kind of play a little nod to Black Panther. Like
Nicholas
in the
Kirkwood
design.
shoes she's got on. Everybody just killed it. I'm like, is this the most boring thing ever? I'm just going to tell you how great everybody looks.
No, everyone did look good. I think those were some of the best ones, though, I will say. Also, shout out to Zoe Saldana. We didn't have time to include everybody, but...
There were so many people who looked fantastic.
She rocked color, too. But you know what? I have to give a shout out to the guys.
Yes, we have to talk about the
guys turned it out, too. I mean, this was not your typical, award show red carpet. They really took some risks with the prints and the colors.
That.
Yeah.
And the colors.
Right.
And the colors.
Speaking of colors, Taika Waititi right here, the director of Thor Ragnarok. I mean, he also paid a little nod to Thanos with this lilac color.
Which is so great because he has obviously a great sense of humor. He's really funny. And, it's a superhero movie. It's fun.
Right.
I love that he wore a lilac suit. It's just so perfect.
And if you follow him on Instagram, you guys, Taika's quickly becoming my style icon.
Really?
Because he just has fun with it.
I need to check him out.
He wears the male rompers. He's got the prints going. I mean, I feel like he's a little bit of a hipster. But I'm into
secret
it.
hipster.
A secret hipster nailed this suit, as did Anthony Mackie. Can we talk about this look for a sec? Come on.
I mean, this is just flawless right here. I love a three-piece suit, and it looks like his tie and his shirt are a deep eggplant color as well. So everybody's bringing the little shades of purple. Yeah, look at that.
This could
Gosh, this is so polished. I love this.
I was gonna say because it could, when you do a three-piece, you run the risk of it looking almost too business, but he's just looking real chic.
No, it's real sharp, and it's the pocket square, all of it just really works.
Oh, gosh, everyone was there. We got to talk about Chris Hemsworth, though.
Chris Hemsworth.
Your son's favorite.
Yes, because my son's obsessed with Thor. I've seen Thor Ragnarok 18 million times. And I love this. So he's doing an all-over print moment here. He's wearing Etro, and this is a paisley brocade suit, and he has a matching shirt that has the same paisley print on it. This is a very difficult look to pull off.
Right.
The reason that this works is that it's in a dark navy color, and it's streamlined. So from very far away, it's not a loud print. It's not really until you get up closer and photographs that you really get to appreciate that cool paisley print.
And the black shoes and black tie don't overdo it either.
Exactly.
Kind of like, do you think it would have been different had he gone without a tie? Just that monochromatic look?
Yeah, I think you need the tie to break it up.
To break it up a little bit.
You need the tie to break it up, because otherwise it would be a lot of paisley just all across.
But you're right. From far away, it blends.
Really,
you have to come up close to see.
Sleek.
Yeah, you have to see the paisley up close.
Cool look.
Oh,
I love this. He just looks cool, and he has man jewelry on. I'm here for it.
So Chris Hemsworth went with monochromatic. Chris Evans went with a little color blocking.
He did, and he kept it kind of traditional.
Yeah.
So I love the unexpected color of the shirt. That seafoam green, really unexpected, kind of a throwback. It feels a little bit vintage.
Yeah.
It feels kind of 60s, almost 70s.
He rocks
I love it,
doesn't
and I
he?
love the beard. I love that he's rocking the beard.
I feel like this is as tame as it can be right now. Because
Right.
any longer, it's going to get a little scraggly. But
And that's it.
He also has been rocking some great suits throughout the press tour.
Yes.
And I follow his stylist,
Yay.
Ilaria, on Instagram. And a lot of them have been custom Ferragamo. So good on you, Ferragamo. You know how to dress that, man.
Italians know how to cut a suit.
And the Avengers know how to dress for a red carpet. Marissa Runyon, ET Style. Check them out on ET Online. Thank you so much.
Thanks.